Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to integrate Wix with Ecwid in 2026. Already using Ecwid and want it on your Wix site? Let's integrate them step by step, just by following these few simple steps. The first thing you want to do is create an Ecwid account. You're going to go to ecwid.com, and after that you're going to click on Get Started. And then you're going to finish the procedure by registering, entering your information, your email, your password, and etc. You can also sign in with Facebook or Google to make the process faster. And once you sign in, you're going to get the Ecwid store code, and then you can open the Ecwid dashboard. After that, you're going to go to the website or other platforms and copy the store end code. Once you copy the store code, you're going to open the Wix editor. You're going to go to the Wix here and click on Add Plus. And make sure to go to your website. I'm just going to click on the first website, site 1. And then you're going to click on Add Plus. And after that, you're going to select the empt HTML frame and then pass the Ecwid code and pass the empt code and also resize the store window. And in the end, you're going to publish it. You're going to publish the site and test the store pages. Make sure to use HTTPS only and check the mobile layout and avoid double checkout systems. And that's how Ecwid works with Wix. If you like this video and found this helpful, please like and subscribe and leave comments below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching and see you again in the next tutorial.